Without further ado, Ella Johnson and Andrea Erickson. Adrian Olson and Katie Kaler. Xavier Nadu and Kendra Bance. CP and JP Gouliat. Charlie Noonan and Marissa Anderson. Tyler Landsberg and Riley Trainer. They're going to ask me a question. Elizabeth Jarek, Madison Wilhelm, and Hayden Glasnick. Ren Hoyt and Brady Ide. Oliver Garrity and Scotty Vance. Hayes Larson and Belle Carlson. Ryder Merrill and Dominic Fox. Braden Glasnick and Kira Cox and Johnny Severson. Mary Catherine Perseus and Chloe. Kason Fisher and Lizzie Tragg. Emma Duxbury and Charlie Scholander. Kyler and Michaela. Brian Nelson and Aviana Berg. Evelyn Hughes and James Zittelman. They're making up for all the other ones that went quick. Cheyenne and Dominic. Cotball and Donovan Prue. Brian Bance and Madeline Schleisner. William Edward Zittelman, Raymond James Jackson, and Silas Robert Fowler. Aiden Nagel, Marius Bruce, and Marcus Majeski. Eli Paulay, Wendy Rosas Perez. Leighton Parcelli and Lana Daniels. Trapper Schleisner and Tegan Peterson. Hulk Odegaard and Hank Christensen. Henry Hyman and Dawson Hetrick. Isaiah and Sienna Morales. Isabel Olson and Isabel Holden. Madeline Schleisner, Brooklyn Cotball, and Violet Hill. Natalia Koala and Raul Saros. Christine and Wyatt. Natasha Tate and Neil Martin. Michael Zoller and Eliana Savage. Caitlin Duxbury, Jake Thamert, and Alex Garrity. Just bananas. Time to make some banana bread, maybe. Chloe Bankston and Maya Korf. Mercedes Reaper, Zach Thatcher, and Morgan Johnson. Alexis Britton and Destiny Lowe. And last but not least, Zoe Carlson and Courtney Kist. Group finds their seats, I would like to say a big thank you to the 2026 Prom Committee, the staff advisors, our resource officer, and our chaperones who have taken the time to put this night together. Next up is the coronation of the 2026 Prom King and Queen, starting with our 2025 King and Queen, Jameson Schur and Lizzie Jarrett. Junior royalty, Trey Nyhus and Penelope Peterson. Okay, here we go. Introducing the 2026 Prom Court, Josh Pouliot and Kendra Vance. Josh said if he could have dinner with any historical figure, it would be Stefan Diggs. Kendra said a kid's movie that she still secretly loves as a teenager is Frankenweenie. Up next we have Hayes Larson and Ella Johnson. Hayes' secret talent that nobody at school knows about is he's an expert juggler. We're going to throw some balls at him tonight, see if you can catch them. Ella's one meal she could eat the rest of her life would be her grandma's spaghetti. Up next we have Dominic Fox and Wendy Rosas Perez. Dominic's secret talent nobody at school knows about is he is the GOAT at Minigo. That means greatest of all time if you didn't know that. And Wendy's one meal she could eat the rest of her life would be chicken Alfredo. Up next we have Oliver Garrity and Katie Kaler. Oliver's go-to fast food order is 2 Keeniac combos, drop that coleslaw, double that bread, and 1 iced tea from Raising Cane's. Katie said a movie she has seen more than 20 times is The Wrong Missy. Must be good. Now, to crown your 2026 Prom King. Drum roll, please. So exciting. And last, but certainly not least, your 2026 Prom Queen. Let's get a better drum roll than that, come on. Drum roll, please. Congratulations, Ella Johnson. One last round of applause for our 2026 Prom King. We'll keep the royalty center stage for just a few moments for a few photos. Feel free to take some.